slice the onions. Next, chop the garlic. Peel the carrots. Cut the carrot in half, then carve a design so that when sliced, it looks like a flower. Next, cut off the tip of the sayote. Cut it in half, then cut it in half again. Remove the hard part in the center of the vegetable. Then peel off the skin. After peeling, cut into bite-sized pieces. Cut the cabbage in half, then cut one half in half again. Do the same with the remaining part of the vegetable. Next, remove the hard center part of the cabbage, also known as the core. Then slice it diagonally into pieces about half a centimeter thick. Prepare the pan where the vegetables will be cooked. Add a small amount of oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, saute the onion and garlic until their aroma is released. Add the sliced carrots and cook for a few minutes. Next, add the sliced sayote in bite-sized pieces. Then add the other vegetables such as cabbage, chayote, red bell pepper, broccoli, and string beans. This is so delicious. So many nutritious vegetables. I'll end up eating a lot of rice again. Add more sliced cabbage to increase the amount of vegetable ingredients. Add the broth that I mixed with 1 shrimp cube. Cover and simmer the vegetables for 30 minutes. Open the lid to check if the vegetables are already tender. And finally, add the chicken liver to make the vegetable dish even more flavorful. The vegetables, such as chayote and carrots, are still hard. Cover again and continue to cook until the vegetables are tender. Open it again and check the vegetables. Add the slurry to thicken the sauce. Let's taste it to make sure the flavor is just right. It's still bland. Let's add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Sprinkle a little pepper. Time to transfer my cooked vegetables onto the tray. If you enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends my channel. Hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.